Remove all whitespace in a string. I want to eliminate all the whitespace from a string, on both ends, and in between words. I have this Python code. But that only eliminates the whitespace on both sides of the string. How do I remove all whitespace?
If you want to remove leading and ending spaces, use str.strip. If you want to remove all space characters, use str.replace. NB This only removes the normal ASCII space character U plus 0020 but not any other whitespace. If you want to remove duplicated spaces, use str.split followed by str.join.
To remove only spaces, use str.replace. To remove all whitespace characters, space, tab, new line, and so on, you can use split then join. Or a regular expression. If you want to only remove whitespace from the beginning and end, you can use strip. You can also use strip to remove whitespace only from the beginning of the string, and rstrip to remove whitespace from the end of the string.
An alternative is to use regular expressions and match these strange whitespace characters too. Here are some examples. Remove all spaces in a string, even between words. Remove spaces in the beginning of a string. Remove spaces in the end of a string. Remove spaces both in the beginning and in the end of a string. Remove only duplicate spaces. All examples work in both Python 2 and Python 3.
Whitespace includes space, tabs, and CRLF. So an elegant and one-liner string function we can use is str.translate. Python 3. Or if you want to be thorough, Python 2. Or if you want to be thorough,